Hello and welcome back to our wow again. Well, we're now officially in the middle of our examination period with all of our Year 10, Year 11, Year 12 and Year 13 students sitting their IGCSE and A-level exams. I know that things are a little bit different this year with all of the COVID protocols, but I know that all of you are going to do your very best to show off your outstanding academic abilities. Last week, we had a virtual visit from an ex-student of ours, Sonia Espejo. She joined us all the way from New York to give a masterclass in business and marketing. As I say, she's currently living and working in New York, and it was lovely to catch up with her again. I do hope that all of our Year 9, 10 and 11 students enjoyed the presentation that she gave as much as I did. I also met last week with our new families for our virtual coffee and chat. And this week, I also spoke to our longer standing families to gather feedback and get some new ideas. They were really enjoyable sessions which have given me some new ideas and points to think about. I know from my feedback that everyone is very happy with the way that we work as a school and that there are a few areas, as always, that we can get better in. We also had one of our Year 10 parents come into school to give a very interesting talk to our Year 10 PE students. She's a doctor and she spoke about the physiological adaptations during pregnancy, during one of their PE classes. And next week, we'll be sending out all of the information about our graduation ceremonies for Year 6, Year 11 and Year 13. We are currently waiting for clarification about how we can organise these safely within COVID protocols from the educational inspector. And we're going to see how many people we are allowed to have in the ceremonies before we send that information out. And then, of course, finally, following up on our partnership agreement signed with Vila-real Football Club, we all wish the team the best of luck next Wednesday in the final of the UEFA Cup. So take care and stay safe.